Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am English teacher of TSS Khayaban campus. Today we are going to discuss what is simple present tense. In simple present tense, he, she, it, we add s and es with verb. I, you, we, they, we don't add s and es with verb. You see this table? In third person singular, we add s to the verb to form the third person singular he, she, it. I drink, he drinks. I run, he runs. But we add es to verbs that end in ss, sh, ch, xo. I watch, he watches. With the verbs ending in the consonant y, we change the y to ies. I cry, he cries. But with the verbs ending in the vowel plus y, we just add s as usual. I play, he plays. We use the present simple for habits and actions that we do regularly. We visit his friends every Sunday. She goes to school by bus. For general truths, the sun rises in the east. For permanent situations, he lives in Athens. Expressions used with the present simple frequency adverbs. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never, they are placed before the main verb. Time expressions every day, week, Friday, on Monday, Sunday, at the weekend, in the morning, afternoon, in winter, spring, once a day, a week. Write the third person singular of the following verbs. No, students, you will write these blanks yourself. Play, plays, wash, washes, drive, drives, fly, flies, help, helps, watch, watches, like, likes, cry, cries, go, goes, teach, teaches, carry, carries, start, starts, kiss, kisses, tidy, tidies, enjoy, enjoys, mix, mixes. Now we are going to start the story The Lion and the Mouse. A lion was sleeping in a forest. A mouse started playing on it. The lion was disturbed and arose from his sleep. It caught up the mouse angrily and tried to crush it to death. Then the mouse prayed the lion to leave him off and assured that it would help him when it needed. The lion laughed at it and let him off. One day the lion was caught in a net spread by a hunter. It roared and tried to escape, but in vain. The mouse heard the lion's roaring and came there. It started cutting the net with its teeth. The lion escaped and thanked the mouse. Moral: everything has its own value. Now we are going to start comprehension passage. Native American Indian groups in the North America lived in different cultural regions, each of which developed its own customs and traditions. A custom is the specific way in which a group of people does something. This can include how foods are prepared, what clothing is worn, the kinds of celebrations, and much more. The set of customs developed and shared by a culture over time is a tradition. A culture's customs are often determined by the natural resources found in their environment. In the desert southwest region, cloth weaving developed as a custom. The area has fewer large animals whose skins can be found for making clothing or blankets. Cloth weaving was a way of meeting the need for clothing without using animal skins. In the eastern woodlands area, however, hunting and fishing were daily activities since it was easy to get animal skins. Developing skills like weaving were less important. The tradition rules of men and women in the native tribes varied as well. In hunting cultures, men were often away from home during the day to hunt animals for food. Women did man chores around the village while they were gone. In cultures where crops were grown, it was usually the man who tended them. Folklore was an important part of a Native American culture. They had no written language telling the tribe story. Orally was the way the preserved them from generation to generation so they would not be lost. The tribe used chanting, storytelling, and singing as a way to remember the tribe's folklore. The stories told the tribe's history, funny adventures, and accomplishments. Folklore has helped unite the people of the tribe. Religion was an important part of Native American culture. The celebrations of the tribe faiths and worship often involved special ceremonies. Harvest ceremonies were a common way to give thanks to the tribe's gods for a good crop. Other ceremonies combined religious songs and dances with social activities. The ceremonies reinforced the people's trust in their leaders' ability to provide for their needs. Now we are going to start answer the following questions of this passage. What is custom? What is custom? A specific way in which a group of people does something. What is custom? A specific way in which a group of people does something. Question number 2. What are the ways that Native Americans told their story? चैंटिंग, स्टोरी टेलर एंड सिंगिंग. किस तरीके से वो अपनी स्टोरी सुनाते थे? चैंटिंग, स्टोरी टेलर एंड सिंगिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. कॉन्ट्रास्ट what you have learned about the historic Native American culture and what you know about your own culture. How are they different? Students, this question you will write yourself. Okay. Question number 4 is, in your own words, explain the importance of folklore. It preserves the stories of the tribe and help unite it. In your own words, explain the importance of folklore. What is the answer of this question? It preserved the stories of the tribe and help unite it. Question number 5. Explain why some tribes developed weaving. There are no large animals in the area that they could use for clothing and blankets. There were no large animals in the area that could use for clothing and blankets. Thank you.